of binomial by trinomial. Question: find the product of trinomial means 3 terms and binomial means 2 terms. Now we have a question to solve it by vertical method and by horizontal method. First we do by vertical method, so let's begin. As you know, they have given us 2 expressions, trinomials and binomials. So which one is the big one? This one. So we put this first and second after it. Okay. Before that, you must know 2 things. First, we multiply 3m square with the whole term. Then second term minus 2m square with the whole term. Okay. Remember, same variables will add or subtract. Okay. So let's begin. 3 2s are 6. M here m square and m square. This is same powers will be add. So it become m raised to power 4. Okay. Now next plus 3 2s are 6. M square n square, we don't have same basis, so that's why we put both m square n square as it is. Okay. Next 3 3s are 9, but plus minus minus, as it's shown no sign, it means it's plus. So plus minus minus 3 3s are 9, and mn and m square, as your butter basis m raised to power 2 and m raised to power 1, as there's there's no power here, it means it's 1. So m raised to power 2 plus 1 3, as you know bases are same, power will be add, so it become m raised to power 3, and there's no n here, so this n will remain same. You got it? I repeat, 3m square multiplied by 2m square, 3 2s are 6, m raised to power 4, and plus 3 2s are 6, m square n square, minus 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus, and m raised to power 2, m raised to power 1. So it become m raised to power 3, and there is no n here, so this n will remain same. Now we multiply minus 2m square with the whole term. 2 2s are 4, minus 4, m square n square. As you know, we will put here right behind it same variables. It's m square n square. So where we put here minus 4 m square n square right behind 6 m square n square. Okay. Next one is 2 2s are 4, and as you know bases are same, and same, 2 plus 2 4. So it become minus 4 n raised to power 4. For where we put it? Do we here? No. We put in front of it minus 4 n raised to power 4. Okay. Next one is minus minus plus 2 3s are 6. 6 and m will remain same, and 2 raised to power n raised to power 2 and n raised to power 1. So it become 2 plus 1 3. 6 m n raised to power 3. Because but what is the variable here? Minus 9 m raised to power cube n. But here we have 6 m n raised to power cube. So we cannot place this one here. Okay, we will put in front of it 6 m n cube. This is a very important point. You must ignore it. Okay. Now next it. You don't ignore it. I was saying like that. So now at that point we will add the whole term. 6m raised to power 4 plus minus 6 minus 4 2 m square n square minus 9 m cube n will remain same, minus 4 n raised to power 4 will remain same, and plus 6 m n raised to power cube will remain same. I hope it's clear.